Welcome. Welcome. We'll be starting in a bit. Thank you. Hi, Brian. Give another half a minute. We'll see if anyone else joins in before we start. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to 824 Breaks. Thank you for joining tonight for our baseball break. Break 144 tonight. Got a mix of some 2021 products, 9 items tonight. We have 2 packs, 2 hangers, 4 blasters, and a hobby box of contenders. Let's go ahead and go over these real quick. We have a Mosaic cello pack, 15 cards in here, 12 card pack, and a 3 card bonus of some camo prisms there. And a Chronicles value pack, 15 cards in here, 1 pink pulsar on average per pack. 2 hangers, update series, 67 cards in here, and a Topps Heritage hanger, 35 cards in here. 4 blasters tonight. An absolute, 40 cards in here, 1 hit on average, autograph for a mem. We have Top Series 2, 99 cards in here, 1 70th anniversary patch, and some Juan Soto highlight cards for Derek tonight. We have Archives Baseball Blaster, 56 total cards in here, 3 foil parallels on average. Topps Chrome Blaster, 32 cards in here, 2 sepia and 2 pink refractor parallels on average. And then here's our Contenders Hobby, 408 cards, 6 autographs on average per box. Also 6 season ticket blue parallels on average. All right, let's go ahead and go over our participants before we start here. It's break 144. Michael, Diamondbacks. Mike, Braves and Orioles. Gene, Red Sox. Derek, Cubs. Joshua, White Sox. Mike, Reds. Derek, Indians and Rockies. Brian, Tigers. Nathaniel, Astros. Mike, Royals. Nolan, Angels. Jake, Dodgers. Mike, Marlins. Johnny, Brewers. Michael with the Twins. Brian, Mets. Jonathan, Yankees. Daniel, Athletics. Johnny, Phillies. Kyle, Pirates. David, Padres. Travis, Giants. Donald, Mariners. Johnny with the Cardinals. Derek, Rays. Johnny, Rangers. Brian with the Blue Jays. And last is Derek with the Nationals. All right, let me adjust a little more here and we'll start. All right, start with Chronicles tonight. 15 cards in this pack, 1 pink pulsar on average. Good luck, everyone. All right, start the break off with Luis Robert. Rookie of Andrew Vaughn, White Sox. Juan Soto. Pavin Smith rookie limited for the D-backs. Legacy of Jared Kelenic for the Mariners. Got a Joe Adell pinnacle for the Angels. Another Joe Adell Timeless Treasures. Mookie Betts, a thick base card here for the Dodgers. Magnitude of Brian Hayes. Gold Standard of Ronald Acuna. Crusade of Aaron Judge. Phoenix Shohei Ohtani. Pink Pulsar Crusade of Trevor Rogers for the Marlins. Certified of Tristan McKenzie for the Indians. And a Trevor Rogers rookie for the Marlins. Revolution. That's a good pack there. Rogers pink. Going to Mike. Brian there. Joe Adell Timeless Treasures. That's for Nolan. Kelenic Legacy. That's going to Donald. Andrew Vaughn. Going to Josh. All right. Let's go to the next pack here. Got a Mosaic Cello, 15 cards in here. Got 12 cards in here, and then a bonus pack of some camo prisms. Justice Sheffield, Will Myers, Brian Anderson, Zach McKinstry, rookie for the Dodgers, Alex Kirilloff, rookie for the Twins, a vintage parallel of Bob Feller for the Indians, Casey Mize, rookie, silver for the Tigers, silver prism, a Mosaic of Dylan Bundy, Angels, green of Clayton Kershaw, Dodgers. Got Aces insert of Garrett Cole. Hot sauce insert of Francisco Lindor for the Mets. And the Aces of Jacob deGrom. Looks like that's a green Mosaic. Casey Mize. Silver. That's for Brian. Kirilloff rookie there for the Twins. Going to Michael. All right, bonus pack. Pink of Trey Turner. That's for the Nationals. Alex Bregman for the Astros, and the rookie of Deivi Garcia for the Yankees. For the Yankees, going to Jonathan. All right, let's go with the hangers next. Start off with the update. 67 cards in here. There's our pack. That's an empty box there. All right, we got a powerful pair of Cronenworth and Tatis for the Padres, Liam Hendricks, Michael Franco, Jonathan Loaizaga. Corey Kluber, Jake Cave, Aaron Savale. Got a Luis Torrens. Rookie of Gilberto Celestino. That's for the Twins. Kyle Farmer, J.P. Bukauskas, D-backs rookie. Zach Davies. Justin Williams, rookie for the Cardinals. Martin Perez. Cody Poteet, that's for the Marlins, rookie there. Ahmed Rosario, Keegan Thompson, Cubs rookie. Gregory Santos, Giants. Lance Lynn. Rookie debut of Luis Garcia, Nationals. Martin Maldonado, debut of Ke'Bryan Hayes. Jordan Luplow, rookie Khalil Lee for the Mets. Adam Duvall, Andres Jimenez, rookie for the Indians. Debut of Luis Patino for the Padres. Jose Quintana. Here's a gold parallel of Matt Strom. That's for the Padres. Numbered to 2021. Rainbow foil parallel of Joakim Soria for the D-backs. All-Star game insert of Carlos Correa. 70, oh no, this is the regular insert here. Top insert here, Nolan Ryan for the Mets. 35th anniversary, Tyler Glasnow for the Rays. 92 redo of Francisco Lindor, Nolan Arenado, Juan Soto, and Bo Bichette. Rookie Will Craig, Pirates. Julio Teheran, got a Cole Tucker, Tyler Nevin, rookie for the Orioles. Debut of Christian Pache. Frankie Montas, Pat Vileika, Josh Bell. Rookie debut of Dylan Carlson. Brian O'Grady. Josh Rojas, Josh Reddick. Michael Kopech, rookie combos for the Mariners. Elisir Hernandez. Antonio Santos, rookie for the Rockies. Got Adam Cumber. Kyle Isbell, rookie for the Royals. Debut of Nick Madrigal for the White Sox. Pals face-off. That's Otani and Arihara. So I'm going to randomize that actually. Sorry. For the Angels and Rangers there. Joey Lucchesi. Edwin Uceta, rookie for the Dodgers. NL Beast of another random here. Acuna and Chisholm. So I'll randomize that for the Braves and Marlins. Combos, rookies of the Rockies. Tyler Mahle, Jorge Mateo, rookie for the Padres. Queens High with the Mets. That's a David Dahl, Joe Adele debut, and Drew Pomeranz. Let's leave a few of these up for you guys. Got a Hayes debut there. That's for Kyle. All right, next hanger. Got the Heritage. 35 cards in here. 1972 design in these boxes. There's our pack. Empty box there. Got a Boyhood Photos of Stars of Pete Alonso. NL pitching leaders, Yu Darvish, Zach Davies, and Max Fried. Have to randomize that for those three teams in the end. Do use random.org on those. Brandon Workman, Pablo Lopez, Max Kepler in action. Miguel Castro, Tim Anderson in action. Miles Straw, Joey Bart in action, rookie for the Giants. Antonio Sansatella, Miguel Andujar, Jake Cave, Justin Turner, Lane Thomas, Tatis Jr., Chris Bassett, Steven Souza, Max Scherzer, got equal rights flashback in 1972. Dawn of a new era. So I'll randomize that for everybody. Mike Minor, Max Kepler, Sandy Alcantara, Kyle Gibson, Scott Kingery, Luke Voigt, Nomar Mazzara, Sonny Gray, Nick Solak, Nick Ahmed, Adam Engel, Orlando Arcia, Dustin May, Tyler O'Neill, Zach Wheeler, Mike Talkman, and Michael Pineda. Joe Adell in action there for the Giants. Going to Travis tonight. All right, on to our blasters. We'll start with Series 2. 99 cards in here, 170th anniversary patch, and some Juan Soto highlight cards there. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 cards per pack. That's 98 cards plus the one patch, 99. Good luck. Josh Hader, Ryan Zimmerman, Andrew McCutcheon, James McCann, Adam Eaton, Nicky Lopez, Adrian Morihon, Miguel Sano. That first one, Soto highlight card. It's the climb. A redo 65 of Randy Rosarena for the Rays. Wade Miley, Matt Carpenter, Kyle Freeland, and Scott Kingery. Next pack. Walker Buehler, San Diego Padres team card. Estevan Florio, rookie for the Yankees. Rafael Montero, Eddie Rosario. Daz Cameron, rookie for the Tigers. Luis Urias, 35th anniversary All-Star. Dale Murphy for the Braves. Redo Bryce Harper, Nick Ahmed, Steven Piscotty, Steven Strasburg, and DJ LeMahieu. Next pack. Picture time with the Braves. Home run handoff with the Yankees. Hanser Alberto, future stars James Karinchak. Jose Garcia, Reds rookie. Chad Wallach. Sam Huff, Rangers rookie. Kyle Schwarber. There's a gold parallel Trevor Bauer for the Dodgers. Number to 2021. Casey Mize, rookie redo for the Tigers. Alec Mills, Kendall Graveman, Anthony Desclafani, and Brandon Lau. Some eyes rookie there for Brian. Bauer numbered. That's going to be for Jake. Next pack. Ryan Weathers, rookie for the Padres. Craig Kimbrell, Andrew Heaney. Baseball's fun with the Rays. Yosei Kikuchi, Xander Bogaerts, Trevor Rosenthal, Alex Cobb. 70 years of tops of insert rookie of Ryan Mountcastle. Javi Baez redo. Ryan McMahon. Tanner Rourke, CJ Crone, and Victor Robles. Mountcastle there. That's for Mike. Next pack. Drew Rasmussen. Missed your message there, Travis. No worries. Congrats on that. Got a Corey Kluber shopping cart surf with the Red Sox. Rio Ruiz. Kevin Kramer. Got a Ty Buttrey, Tommy LaStella. There's a Juan Soto highlight. Got a chrome redo of Christian Yelich for the Brewers. Not numbered on those. Got a Joe Adell redo rookie for the Angels. Lance McCullers, Billy Hamilton, Austin Barnes, and the future stars of Mike Brusso for the Rays. Joe Adell, that's for Nolan. Chrome, Ray Yelich for Johnny. Soto highlight for Derek. Next pack. Antonio Sanzatella, got a Tom Hatch rookie for the Blue Jays. Alex Kirilloff rookie for the Twins. Jeff Mathis, Carl Edwards. Gold Cup of Willie Castro. Noah Syndergaard. Steve Cishek. 35th anniversary rookie of Shane McClanahan for the Rays. Lindor redo. Pablo Lopez, Josh Fleming rookie for the Rays. Ben Gamel, and rookie of Adonis Medina. That's for the Phillies. So McClanahan, 35th anniversary rookie for Derek. Kirilloff rookie for the Twins. Michael. Move over that Vaughn. All right, last pack of Series 2. It looks like our patch is in here. Edwin Diaz. Gloves are hats with the Blue Jays. Zach Plesac. Enrique Hernandez. Garrett Cooper. Carlos Martinez. Sandy Alcantara. Key Brian Hayes rookie for the Pirates. Framber Valdez. That's a Mike Piazza. It's also numbered. Nice patch there for the Dodgers. Number to 299. Don't get many of the numbered ones, but yeah, that one's numbered tonight. Redo of Nolan Arenado, Jeff McNeil, Jahmai Jones, rookie for the Orioles, Mike Moustakas, and Andrew Miller. All right. That is for Jake. Brian Hayes rookie for Kyle. All right, let me make some space real quick. Next blaster will go absolute. 40 cards in here, 1 hit on average, autograph for MM. Also have 5 green parallels and 5 green inserts on average per box. There's our packs. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 cards per pack, 40 cards. They made these a little hard to open, so I will use scissors. Got a Whit Merrifield, Corbin Burns, Tyler Glasnow, Trevor Bauer, a green parallel Fernando Tatis, a green power insert of Cody Bellinger, insert of Ed Roush for the Reds, and a Luis Garcia rookie class insert for the Nationals. Next pack. Nelson Cruz, Bo Bichette, Pete Alonso, Nolan Arenado. Green parallel Mike Yastrzemski for the Giants. Rookie class green of Jake Cronenworth for the Padres. Prospect of Julio Rodriguez for the Mariners. And a Rafael Devers power insert for Boston. Cronenworth green. That is for David. Next pack. Anthony Rizzo, Starling Marte, Roy Campanella, JT Realmuto, a green of DJ LeMahieu for the Yankees, green insert of Mookie Betts for the Dodgers, rookie class of Ian Anderson for the Braves, and a insert of Jose Ramirez. Next pack. It looks like it's going to be a mem unless there's an autograph with it. Lucas Giolito, Manny Machado, J.P. Crawford. That's a Jake Cronenworth. Little patch there with a pinstripe. That's cool. It's for the Padres. Oh, it's also numbered. It's a red parallel there. Numbered to 99. Even better. Got a green of Chris Bryant for the Cubs. Unsung Heroes insert of Ketel Marte. Green for the Diamondbacks. Brandon Lau, Unsung Heroes. And an Icons insert of Sandy Koufax. That's for the Dodgers. See if it fits on this one. Yeah. Perfect. That's for the Padres. That's number to 99, 47 out of 99. That is for David. All right, last pack of Absolute. Fernando Tatis, Mike Yastrzemski, DJ LeMahieu, Chris Bryant, Xander Bogaerts, green. Got a green Icons insert of Aaron Judge. Rookie class Ha-Seong Kim for the Padres, and the Yordan Alvarez power insert for the Astros. All right, next blaster, we'll go Archives. 56 cards in here, 3 foil in parallels on average. This year has there's 7 different years this year. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards per pack. 56 cards. That's also tough to open. Liam Hendricks, Mike Piazza, Shane Bieber, Joe Mauer, Tom Glavine, Paul Goldschmidt, and Ozzie Albies. Oh, one more card, sorry. Don Drysdale, Dodgers. That's tough, no rookies. Mariano Rivera, Kevin Biggio, Frank Thomas, rookie Luis Camposano for the Padres. Mookie Betts, Christian Pache rookie for the Braves. Christian Javier rookie for the Astros. And Gio Urshela. Pache there for Mike. Next pack. Christian Walker, Anthony Rizzo, Adam Frazier, Ken Griffey Jr., Tim Anderson. Is that hollow parallel of Alex Bregman? Thurman Munson, Al Kaline, and Eddie Matthews. Next pack. Carlos Correa, Joe Carter, George Brett, Clark Schmidt rookie for the Yankees, Steven Strasburg, Ricky Henderson, Willie McCovey, and Brandon Woodruff. Next pack. Alex Bregman, Andre Dawson, that's Expos going to the Nationals. Marcus Stroman, Ozzie Smith, Lorenzo Cain, parallel Brooks Robinson for the Orioles. Roberto Clemente, Harmon Killebrew, and a Tris Speaker for the Indians there. Next pack. Starling Marte, Trevor Story, Paul Molitor, Willie Adames, the Boys of Summer, that's Brooklyn Dodgers, Pee Wee Reese, Jackie Robinson, Campanella, and Duke Snyder for the Dodgers there. Rod Carew, Eddie Murray, and a Logan Gilbert rookie for the Mariners. All right, last pack archives. Brooks Robinson, Ahmed Rosario, Lou Brock, Nolan Ryan, JT Brubaker, rookie for the Pirates. Parallel of Dave Winfield for the Twins. Alec Bohm, Shining Stars, rookie for the Phillies. Christian Pache, rookie for the Braves. And Evan White, rookie for the Mariners. Alec Bohm, Phillies. That's for Johnny. All right, our last blaster is going to be Topps Chrome. 32 cards in here, looking for at least 2 sepia, 2 pink refractor parallels on average. Packs. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 cards per pack. That is 32 cards. Good luck. Mark Canha, Keibert Ruiz rookie for the Dodgers. That's a refractor there. Prismatic Power insert of Anthony Rendon, and the 35th anniversary of Shohei Ohtani, Angels. Keibert Ruiz refractor there. Dodgers. Next pack. Eduardo Escobar, Blake Snell, a Prism Parallel refractor of Trevor Story for the Rockies. And the sepia of Walker Buehler, Dodgers. Next pack. Miguel Cabrera, Luis Garcia rookie for the Nationals, Noah Syndergaard, and the pink rookie of Alejandro Kirk. That's for the Blue Jays. Next pack. Patrick Corbin, Xander Bogaerts, Ozzie Albies, Juan Soto, 35th anniversary for the Nationals. Soto card there. Next pack. Rookie Bobby Dalbec for the Red Sox, Johan Moncada, refractor rookie of Chris Bubich for the Royals, and the sepia refractor rookie of Ryan Weathers for the Padres. Dalbec rookie there for the Red Sox for Gene. Next pack. Ahmed Rosario, Clark Schmidt rookie for the Yankees, Tyler Glasnow, Future Stars insert of Randy Arozarena. That's for the Rays. Next pack. Jesus Sanchez for the Marlins rookie. Got a Justin Upton, Luis Patino, Padres rookie, and a pink Carlos Correa for the Astros. All right, last pack of Chrome. Anthony Rendon, Francisco Lindor. Got a baseball insert of Gleyber Torres from Venezuela for the Yankees. And the Brady Singer 35th anniversary rookie for the Royals. That's for Mike. Torres for the Yankees for Jonathan. All right, last box. Let me open up some more top loaders real quick. Sorry. Right. Last box here. Contenders Hobby. 108 cards. 6 autographs on average per box. 6 packs, 18 cards per pack. Also 6 season ticket blue parallels on average. About 1 per pack. There's our packs there. It's empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. 18 cards per pack. Good luck, everyone. I got a Yu Darvish, Paul Goldschmidt, John Means, Manny Machado, Anthony Rendon, Trey Turner, Javi Baez, Shane Bieber, Matt Chapman, parallel Buster Posey for the Giants. There's our hit. That's an Akil Baddoo. Nice hit there. That's also cracked ice, number to 23. That's for Brian. Nice hit, Brian. Got a legendary contenders of Steve Carlton. Rookie of the Year, Ryan Weathers. First rounders, Jordan Lawler for the D-backs. Rookie contenders, Geraldo Perdomo, also for the Diamondbacks. Here's some optics here. Eric Hosmer, Evan Longoria, and a Xander Bogaerts. That looks like a prism there. Silver. That's for Boston. Nice looking card, Brian. Number to Jordan. Let's go. Let's move over your Casey Mize there. Next pack. Nate Lowe, Luis Robert, Tommy Edman, Nolan Arenado, Christian Yelich, Heimer Candelario, Jordan Alvarez, Aaron Judge, parallel Jacob deGrom, that one's numbered. 299, that's for the Mets. Nice, that's good. Anthony Rizzo, Nate Pearson, that's a good name as well. Number to 75, that's also for you, Brian. Future Stars, Jeter Downs for Boston. Colton Cowser, first rounders, that's for the Orioles. Hyan Jung Yang, that's for Texas. Rookie of the Year, Chris Rodriguez for the Angels. We have a Manny Machado optic, Anthony Rendon, and a Mitch Haniger silver. That is for the Mariners. Colton Cowser. I think he was a top 5 pick this year. Or last year, I'd say now. Sorry. That is for the Blue Jays. Number to 75. That is for Brian as well. Jacob deGrom, it's also for you. Wow. Nice. Brian got 3 teams, the Tigers, Mets, and Blue Jays. 3 numbered. That was a little tough. Ryan McMahon, Adolis Garcia, Franmil Reyes, Ramon Laureano, Vlad Jr., Isaiah Kiner Falefa, Yohan Moncada, Trey Mancini, Trevor Bauer. Parallel here of Garrett Cole, Yankees. And autograph of Sam Howard. That is for the Pirates. Winning ticket of Joe Adell. MVP of Trey Turner. Future stars Austin Martin. It's going to the Twins there. Rookie contenders of Joey Bart. Here's our optic, Cedric Mullins, Brian Reynolds, and Gleyber Torres. Joey Bart. Austin Martin for the Twins. That's for Kyle. Move over Delbeck. All right, next pack. Tough to open. Rafael Devers, Miguel Rojas, Alex Bregman, Carlos Rodon, Kyle Lewis, Carlos Correa, Jacob deGrom, Trevor Story, Jose Ramirez, Evan Longoria, parallel. That's for the Giants. Autograph of Willie McIver. That's for the Rockies. Catcher. Ticket of Stardom of Mike Trout. Ryan Sandberg, Legendary Contenders, Rookie of the Year, Brady Singer. First rounders, Henry Davis, first overall pick. Ryan McMahon, Optic, Adolis Garcia, and a Tyler Glasnow. That is a silver. It's for the Rays. Henry Davis, first overall pick. That's for Derek and the Rockies. Over that Kirilov. All right, last two packs. Yeah, why don't we try? Brandon Woodruff, Aaron Nola, Luis Arraez, Tyler Glasnow, Jesse Winker, Ozzie Albies, excuse me, Salvador Perez, Chris Bryant, Randy Arozarena, parallel Boba Fett, Daniel Alvarez for the Giants. Pitcher. Brent Honeywell, Rookie Contenders, Future Stars of Simeon Woods Richardson for the Twins. Kyle Lewis, Winning Tickets. MVP of Shohei Ohtani. Here's our optic. Franmil Reyes, Ramon Laureano, and a Jesse Winker silver. That is for the Giants. For the Travis. All right, last pack of our break. I do have those cards to randomize for you guys, for those cards there in the corner, and then I will do a recap for you guys. Last pack here. Most rookies will get sleeved up for you guys. Bigger hits will get top loaded. They should be out by Monday in team bags and bubble mailers. All right, good luck last pack. Enjoy the game tomorrow if you're watching. And good luck last pack. Mitch Haniger, JD Martinez, Danny Duffy, Kevin Gossman, Acuna Jr., Matt Olson, Corey Seager, Cody Bellinger, Mike Yastrzemski. Got a parallel of Ketel Marte for the Diamondbacks. Our last autograph is a Dalton Jeffries autograph for the Athletics. Rookie of the Year, Christian Javier. Rookie Contenders of Trevor Rogers. Ticket of Stardom of Acuna. Max Scherzer winning tickets. Here's our last 3 cards. Optic, Yu Darvish, Paul Goldschmidt, and a John Means. And that's for Daniel. All right, let's make some space here. We'll do those randoms real quick for those cards, and then we'll do a recap. All right, so we'll go in order how we got them. So that's a double there. We'll do that. Use random.org and a dice roller on those. That as well. Triple. Oops, sorry. And then we have that. It's going to be for everybody. Flashbacks. Just give me a second, please. Let me pull it up. All right, so we got a random.org, dice roller, and we're gonna roll virtual die 1 time. So we'll go odd number for Otani and the Angels, even for Arihari and the Rangers. Good luck on those teams there. That is even number, gonna go to Arihari and the Rangers. All right, this one here, same thing, odd number Acuna, even number Chisholm. Good luck. All right, that's even. Going to Miami, Jazz Chisholm. All right, this one here will go 1-2 for Darvish, 3-4 for Zach Davies, and 5-6 for Max Fried. Good luck. That is a 5. Going to the Braves, Max Fried. All right, this one here I want to randomize for everybody. Give me a second, please. Pull up all the names, team names, I mean. All right, there's list randomizer, all our team names there. All right, so for 824 breaks, I will randomize it 8 times. And then the top spot, we'll take that 1 card here. All right, good luck. That's the first one. There's 30 teams there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last time, 8. Going to the Tigers. That's for Brian. The dawn of an era. Equal Rights Amendment. All right, let's go over some of our hits here. I like to go over some parallels. Thank you, Brian. Have a good one. Got a Acuna, got a Shohei. Silver of Winker, Augusta, Mike Trout. Silver of Tyler Glasnow, Mitch Haniger, silver. Xander Bogart, silver. Insert of Gleyber Torres. Insert Randy Rosarena. Juan Soto, 35th anniversary, and Shohei Ohtani. Got a parallel of Dave Winfield. Boys of Summer. Dodgers, Brooks Robinson, parallel. Alex Bregman, parallel. Aaron Judge, insert green parallel. Tatis Green. Here's that Piazza patch, number to 299. Soto, Yelich Yelich Chrome redo. Bauer gold, number to 2021, and a Strom gold, number to 2021. Rainbow foil, Joakim Soria, Lindor, and a Jacob deGrom insert there. Some of our rookies here. Kirilloff. Got a prospect of Henry Davis. Dalbec. Got a Joe Adell. Austin Martin. Joey Bart. Alec Boehm. Colton Cowser. Jordan Lawler. Brady Singer. Clark Schmidt. Joey Bart. Chris Bubich. Ryan Weathers. Luis Garcia. Pink of Alejandro Kirk. Ryan Mountcastle, Christian Pache, Clark Schmidt, Pache, Ian Anderson, rookie class, Jake Cronenworth, parallel, Julio Rodriguez, prospect, Key Brian Hayes, Andrew Vaughn, McClanahan, Joe Adell, Jared Kelenic, Casey Mize, Joe Adell, debut of Key Brian Hayes, Dylan Carlson, Debbie Garcia, Alex Kirilloff, pink postdoc, Trevor Rogers, Joe Adell, another Trevor Rogers. Draft ticket parallel of Jacob deGrom. That one's numbered to 99. Casey Mize, silver. Keibert Ruiz, refractor. Dodgers. Got a magnitude of Key Brian Hayes. Rookie threads of Jake Cronenworth. Numbered to 99. 47 out of 99. Here's our autographs here. Dalton Jeffries for the Athletics. Sam Howard for the Pirates. Daniel Alvarez for the Giants. Willie McIver for the Rockies. Nate Pearson for the Blue Jays, numbered to 75. And Akil Baddoo for the Tigers, numbered to 23. All right, that concludes our break for tonight. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Have a football break tomorrow after the Super Bowl. Check me out if you're interested. All right, have a good one. Enjoy the game. Till next time, bye.